inside. Good. Brand new bin right there. Hey guys, today we're doing a really dirty job. As you can see over here, we have got our 3 wheelie bins lined up in a row because I'm glad it's not smelly vision, because come and have a look at this. We inherited these foul bins. Just take a look inside.
Oh, what is this? Oh.
So I called up the council and asked them, is it possible that we can just change this, replace it? He said, no, you can't unless it's damaged. You just have to clean it. Let's look at this one over here. It's even worse. And this is the recycling bin. How are recycling bins so dirty? It should be for polystyrene or plastics and cardboard. How is it black? Now this one is the garden waste. I don't think that this one was used very much because it still looks quite clean, but let's take a look inside as well.
That looks alright.
That one looks pretty good, so we might just give that one a little sprinkle. So with me today I have got P2 masks, because you know what, it's going to be stinky. We've got some wipes, we've got some cloths, we've got a bunch of bleach, some protective gear, so gloves, and we've also got a big brush. I've got 2 forms of bleach, just in case one isn't enough.
Yo, man, what is this?
Bath, I'm going to go around the top, like so, and just all inside. Yuck, that is disgusting.
What is that?
It's like,
what
it's
is
like
that?
dirt, it's so foul.
What is that?
And I'm going to do this second bleach as well, because you know what, you need to. It's so stinky.
So she's now giving it a nice scrub,
Yes.
to get rid of the main stuff. I've been spraying it. It's very addictive. Once you start spraying, you can't stop. So be careful of that. Sorry, go on.
This is just to spread the bleach around, so you can really just get rid of all those nasty stains.
It's really satisfying, you know, just getting rid of all the grime and the dirt. Very, very addictive.
That's looking really good. The good thing about this brush is it actually changes direction. So let's see.
So the job is mostly complete, but there's still a bit of nasty on the bottom. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a bit of bleach, soak it with a bit of water, and leave it for a couple of hours just to hopefully decomposition that nasty. 20 years worth of nasty. Even the recycling bin's got nasty. So like I said, we're going to leave it to soak for a couple of hours, but in the meantime, let me show you this gadget, gardenia. It's so cool. Once this is unplugged, no water is flowing, I can turn off the tap like that, and just to retract, pull it, and it will also retract itself. A bit of guidance. Boom, and remnants of the water, I'll spray it away that way. Boom, just like that. Gardenia.
Alright, so it's been another day. We're going to take a look and see what it looks like. Oh, it's actually really clean. It's like brand new. It looks really nice. Let's take a look at this one. This one was not very nice. It was a recycling bin. And yeah, it looks pretty good as well. Much better. Doesn't smell, which is nice. Still some stuff there, but to be honest with you, that is really good. Now this was the worst one. Come take a look. Whoa! Oh, it's spotless. Pretty much spotless, isn't it? My God. Wow. So what should we do? So I think what we'll do is We'll empty it out, we might give it another rinse, and then we'll just leave them in the sun to dry so that we can use them tomorrow, because that's when our bin man comes and needs to be dry before we put them out. Wow, I'm actually impressed. Alright, so now that Ash has done all of the hard work, I'm going to go and do some inspections. Let's take a look at this one first of all. What? Spotless! My god! Brand new bin right there. So look at this one. Okay, this one, the lid is actually changing tomorrow because it's broken, so I'm not going to judge you down for that one, but I'm looking inside. Yeah, that is so much cleaner. It even smells nicer as well. Let's look at the disgusting one that was really horrible before. Oh my god, it's no longer black. Yay! You can see the green. Ash, I have to say you've done a fantastic job. We're going to leave them here to dry now for the next, well, I don't know, I'm going to say like 10 minutes because this is Australian sun. And well done, you did such an awesome job. There you have it, guys. That's how to clean your own bin in your front yard in case you've inherited something nasty. Good. Brand new bin right there.